Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and today we're going to be making a sausage ball, and they're going to be for like appetizers, and this is my take on it. So let me bring you down to the workstation. We'll get this party started. Okay, I have a big mixing bowl, and we're going to use a breakfast sausage. Okay, you can use any flavor, hot, mild, whatever floats your boat, okay? So, I'm just going to make this one plain because this is what I have. And the sausage is seasoned enough. And get it out of the package. There we go. Okay, and next we're going to use some stuffing. I already made the stuffing, the instructions on the package. Okay, don't veer off of that. And I already made that up. So let me get a spoon here. And we're going to dump this all in. And you can let this cool off if you like before you make this. But I was kind of excited. I was just, let's go for it. And it's not really that bad. And I have about 3 bags of this cheese. And they're like 7 ounces a piece. So we're just gonna go all in. Because the recipe normally calls for 3 pounds of cheese. And that's going to make a lot. So if you have a big gathering, then do 3 pounds of cheese. I have a little family, so this is what we're going to do. If I need the other cheese, I'll open it. I'm going to get gloves on. Now you can mix it up with a spoon or a spatula, but I figure hands would be the best. So to get it all incorporated in here. And then you can really feel it if you need more cheese. And it's already smelling pretty good. And I'm going to use the air fryer setting in my oven. And I'm going to put it on a cookie sheet that's lined with parchment on top of a cooling rack. Okay. And, let's make little balls. I have no clue how much this is going to make. But I thought this would be pretty good to have for like an appetizer, something at a little party. And you can add other things to your balls. Like if you want onion in it, jalapeno peppers, or some type of hot sauce. It's up to you. And you can make it any way you want. You don't have to use breakfast sausage either. You can just use like ground beef if you prefer to use it that way. I mean, it's versatile. Okay, I'm gonna make a couple more on this. And guys, you can freeze this. So if you just want to make the meat portion first and then freeze it for your holiday, or you can just go ahead and make the meatballs and flash freeze them and then put them in a Ziploc bag or a freezer bag, and they'll be all ready for you for your holiday. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop them in the oven, like I said, between 25 and 35 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, it came out of the oven, and some of them went a little flat because of the cheese. There was more cheese in it. Anyway, we're going to let these cool off, and then we're going to plate them up. We'll let them rest for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, here you go. I made some bourbon cranberry sauce. It's really yummy. And I figure, why not dunk it in there with some cranberry. They have a good little crispy top. These are wonderful, guys. I hope you try these. And I will see you guys on the next video.